It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.